Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue the exercise 9.1. Look at the board. Example 6. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. First we draw a figure based on the given conditions. Here the angles of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building. Let AB be an 8-meter tall building. This is 8-meter tall building. The angles of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building, and this PC is a multi-storied building. PC is the multi-storied building and AB is the 8-meter tall building. One man is observing the top of this point P, the top of a multi-storied building. This point P observes the bottom, the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building. First one, from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. First one, the angles of depression of the top. Top is 30 degree and bottom is 45 degree. From this point, the man, this is his horizontal ray and this is the line of sight. This PB is the line of sight. Here makes angle 30 degree. That means according to parallel, these two are parallel lines and this is the transversal. This angle is 30. So this one is also 30 and this meeting point is D. Then he again observes from this multi-storied building the bottom of this 8-meter tall building. This is horizontal ray and line of sight. AP is the line of sight and this angle is 45 degree. So we draw horizontal. This angle also 45 degree. These two are alternate angles. These two angles are this one and this one are alternate angles. So they are equal. Now we have to find PC and AC is the question. For that, first we write let PC be the multi-storied building. And AB is the 8-meter tall building. Here, what about these two? AC and BD are equal and AB and CD are equal. AC is equal to, so AB is equal to CD is equal to 8 meter. Then AC is equal to BD. Now, consider the right triangle PDB. From right triangle PDB, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent. PD by BD. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to PD by BD. Cross multiplication, BD is equal to PD root 3. This is equation 1. Then from right triangle, which is the next right triangle, PCA, from right triangle PCA, tan 45 is equal to PC by AC. What is the value of tan 45? 1 is equal to PC by AC. Implies AC is equal to PC. What is AC? What is PC from the figure? PC is equal to AC equals PC equals, what is PC? PC is equal to PD plus DC equals PD plus, what is DC? This also 8. PD plus 8. So, AC is equal to PD plus 8. AC equals PC equals PD plus 8. This is equation 2. And what is equation 1? PC is equal to PD plus 8, and equation 1 is BD is equal to PD root 3. Then equate 1 and 2 from 1 and 2. 1 BD is equal to AC. Here AC equals PC equals PD plus 8. AC is equal to PD plus 8. AC and BD are equal. Therefore, first one PD root 3 is equal to PD plus 8. PD root 3 minus PD is equal to 8. Taking implies PD common, that take outside, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. PD is equal to 8 divided by root 3 minus 1 equals 8 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equals 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 3 square minus 1 is 3 square minus 1 square equals 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 minus 1 square is 2. 8 by 2, 4 equals 4 into root 3 plus 1 equals 4 root 3 plus 4 is equal to PD. Then, therefore, PC is equal to PD plus DC equals, what is PD? PD is 8 plus DC is 4 root 3 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 4 root 3. Take 4 common. 3 plus root 3 meter is equal to PC. PC is equal to AC because PC and AC are tan of the angle. Tan 45 is equal to PC by AC. So, PC is equal to AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. That means the height of the building is PD plus DC is equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. This is the distance between two buildings. Height of the building and distance between two buildings are 4 into 3 plus root 3 meter. Same value. Second question. Question number 2. Example 7 in the text. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meters from the banks, find the width of the river. Find the width of the river. Read the question. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree. A and B are the banks on opposite sides of a river. And this P is a point on the bridge, so that the width, this width is PD is equal to 3 meter. From a point on a bridge, this is a bridge, P is a point on this bridge, A and B are two opposite sides on the banks of river. A and B are opposite sides of the river. From a point P on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are that a man is observing. His ray, one ray goes horizontal and another ray this. This is 30 degree. On one side he observes at an angle 30 degree, and another side this is horizontal ray and this is the line of sight, he observes 45 degree. Here this angle is 30 degree means this is also 30 degree, and this one is 45 means this angle B also 45 degree. Our question is find the width of the river. That means we have to find AB. For that we take this first triangle and find AD. Next this triangle and find BD. A and B represents the points on the bank on the opposite sides of the river. On the opposite sides of the river. So that AB is the width of the river. From right triangle PDA, what is tan 30? tan 30 is equal to opposite side PD by AD. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to PD given 3 by AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 3 root 3 meter. From second triangle, right triangle, next one PDB. PDB. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to opposite side PD by BD. What is PD is given 3 BD. What is the value of tan 45? 1 is equal to 3 by BD. Cross multiplication. Therefore, BD is equal to 3 meter. Now, width of the river AB is equal to AD plus DB. What is AD? 3 root 3 plus 3 equals 3 common, that take outside, root 3 plus 1. 3 into root 3 plus 1 meter is the width of the river. Width of the river is equal to 3 into meter. 3 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Then next question. Question number 3, that is example 9.1, 16th question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of a tower and the same straight line, base of the tower and the same straight line with it are complementary. With it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Question, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Let AB be a tower. Its height is h. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. From the base of the tower, one distance is 4 meter. The angle of elevation, and again same straight line at a distance of, from AD distance is 9 meter. Again we have an angle of elevation. Then that angle of elevation has a property. What is the property? These two angles are complementary. That means sum of these two angles is 90 degrees at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, and the same straight line with it are complementary. Complementary means this angle is theta, this one is 90 minus theta. Sum of two angles is 90. When two angles are said to be complementary angles, sum of that two angles are 90 is complementary angle. Here one angle is theta, other angle is 90 minus theta. Here we have two right triangles. From a right triangle BAC, what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 opposite side by adjacent side, AB by 4 is equal to h by 4. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to h by 4, equation 1. Then from right triangle BAD, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side AB by AD. What is AB? AB is h divided by AD, 9. So tan theta is equal to h by 9. This is equation 2. Multiply 1 and 2. Tan 9 left side. Equation 1 into 2. Left side tan 90 minus theta into tan theta is equal to h by 4 into h by 9. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta. We have one result. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Here cot theta into tan theta is equal to h square divided by 36. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta into tan theta is equal to s square by 36. So tan theta cancelled. 1 is equal to h square divided by 36. Cross multiplication, h square is equal to 36. Therefore h is equal to square root of 36 is equal to plus or minus 6. But height is always positive. H is equal to 6. Height is always positive. Height is always positive. So h is equal to 6. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter is the question. Height is equal to 6 meter. Homework. Sorry, you have no homework.